Hello everyone, this is Divya Gugatyal and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my previous videos, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make a which character are you filter for Facebook and Instagram on Spark AR. For example, which Money Heist character are you, like this. So let's start the tutorial. First, you need to download the Spark AR Studio. The download link is in the description below. You can download it from there and install it. And you also need a folder containing all the images you want to use in the effect. And the total size of these images must be less than 5 MB. So once you are done with that, open Spark AR. And here, click on Blank Project. Now you will see this window. This might look complicated, but trust me, it's very easy. You can adjust any window by just dragging it on the edge of it. The first thing you need to do is click on Add and select Animation Sequence. I will name the sequence as Images and select on Choose File and choose the images which have previously been kept in the folder. Next, make sure that you have enabled Randomize Under Control setting. Now you need to just right click anywhere and click on Add, select a face tracker. And right click on this face tracker and go to Add and select a plane. Now I will move this plane in Y direction. You can just place them anywhere by tracking on the green, blue and red arrows, however you want. I am selecting the position Y size to 0.135 and scale XYZ to 1. I am happy with this size. After you have adjusted the size, click on the plus icon next to materials. This will create a new material. Now I will name this material as Image Material. Here go to Shader Type and change it to Flat. And now click on Choose File and select your cover image. I have created these images in PixArt. Now just duplicate the plane layer and name them in the intro image and gallery. The first one is the intro image and the second one is the gallery of your photos. Now go to Materials and click on Create New Material. Now name this material as Gallery Material and change the shader type to flat. And now go to Texture and select the animation sequence which we have created at the beginning of this video. The name of the texture should be the name of the animation sequence, which is Images in my case. Now if you just play this animation, you can see the pictures are just randomly moving. I will just pause this and continue with the process. Till this point you are 50% done. Now you have another 50% to go. Now we need to add patches. So to view the patch editor, just go to View and select Show Patch Editor. And this is a patch editor window. Here first drag the camera into the patch editor. And drag the video recording node and leave it. After leaving it, you need to type delay and just click on enter and it will be added. This is the amount of time that you want the cover image to show. I will set this at 1. Next, drag the output node and type pulse. Next, drag on output node of the pulse and type switch. Next, drag the output port of switch and type not. Once you are done with that, select the intro image and under properties, enable the right arrow beside the visible button. This will create a new patch which is named intro image and which is colored yellow. Now you need to connect the not output node to the input node of this image. Next, select Gallery, uncheck the Visible button and click on the arrow beside Visible. This will create a new patch and you need to add this new patch to the output port of switch. Now our node 1 is complete. Now let's create node 2. Just right click anywhere in the patch editor and type run time. Next, drag the output port of runtime and type offset. And drag the output port of offset and type less than. And here we will enter any smaller number like 3 or 4. And now drag the output port of less than and type loop animation. And in the loop animation, make the duration as 0.05. This is the time between each images during the shuffling process. The lesser this number, the more faster your images will shuffle. Now drag the looped port of loop animation and type random. In the random patch, select the end range as 17. The 17 number is the total number of images I have. For you, it may be different. Just make sure that the total number of the images is equal to the number of end range and leave the start range as 0. Now, drag the output port of random and type round. Now select images under animation sequence and click on the right arrow besides the current frame. This will create a new patch named images. Now connect the output port of round to the input port of images. And that's it, your two main patches are created. And now we need to join these patches. Just drag the turned on port of pulse in the reset port of offset as I am doing here right now. Now the process is complete. That's how you can create your own Instagram or Facebook filter. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do like, comment, share and subscribe.